Guys, welcome back to my channel. And well, today, as you can see, we are playing some other game. It's something like Easy Hobby only. It's Mega Easy Hobby or something like that. As you can see, back, stop moving, please.
Okay.
That is my sister. So yeah, we are gonna be playing parkour again today. So hopefully you enjoy the video and yeah. Okay, guys, and my sister's channel will be linked in the description and in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now, hey, why did you start the parkour? Like, seriously? Now, 3, 2, 1, let's start.
Oh!
Come on, this is mega easy, hobby.
But it isn't
Oh.
mega easy.
Yeah, that is there, but like, I mean.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what they say for easy. It seems easy, but it actually is harder. But I made it to the next checkpoint, anyways.
Can you
Okay, so,
Why is this
Can
so
I just
hard?
I can just walk that lol. Okay guys, please ignore the background sound.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm pretty sure that is music. Now?
That music, no.
Wait, do I have to land on the blue now? Don't land on the red.
Yep.
Mine is the fact that I can just walk it like that. Okay, and I made it. Why haven't I gotten the checkpoint? Hello? Okay, yeah, now I got
Okay,
it.
now I also got it. And let's go on this. Here we go.
Oh my god, you covered my screen a bit. I'll let you just die or complete it. No. Please, no.
Oh my
no.
God.
Messages rain whenever I make videos.
Yep.
You need to understand, do not message me while I'm making a video. I'll just pause it. Yeah, well, that is true. That's
Oh
because
my.
once you grow up, see how many messages you'll get. Okay, almost. And there we go. Done. I got the checkpoint. This is easy. This person.
What? You call me person?
No, not you. I got another message.
I didn't touch that laser. Can you wait for me, please?
Oh wait, where are you? I'm on progress 3%, stage 5.
Why is my spam thing?
Ah yeah, you just click the Roblox icon now for it to stop.
Oh my god. If I fail this jump car, spam jump comes.
Where are you? You're still there. Wait.
Okay.
Come on, this is easy. Just look at it the way I'm doing it. You're welcome. I just did that for her. What? Excuse me? I just died by stepping on that. Don't step on that, please. Don't step. Oh, you're still there. Wait. I'll wait for you. Don't step on the dark green thingy. Don't step on it. Only the light. Step on it and see what happens.
Nothing.
What? You survived? It killed me.
Oh my god, I died.
That's odd. You
I
died.
think parkour games hate you.
Well, I mean, but I made it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm a pro. Oh, by the way, guys, there are 175 stages, so we'll be pausing the videos in the middle because the video it will be above 1 hour. Do you just? Hey yo! At least tell me you are going.
Okay.
How do you climb up this? How do you climb this up?
Bye.
Acha, yeah. I got it. I was doing that, but then it
Roblox
wasn't happening.
Oh,
Oh, you fell off. Congratulations and celebrations. It
do
is.
not jump on that ladder.
I didn't. Parkour is actually very easy. Even in
And that
Minecraft. Don't you dare say that parkour is easy for you. In Minecraft.
I literally don't play Minecraft.
Have you realized that I've been talking of Minecraft in all the videos that we have made?
No, I never realized that.
Mine is the Among Us video.
Okay.
Oh, lol, I fell. No.
Can you wait for me?
What? Where are you? How are you feeling on that? I literally did not even fall once in that.
Okay. Oh my god.
Do you want me to do it?
Yep. That girl.
Am I
that
just
girl-
crossing half of the levels?
This girl is an with
She's sabotaging, yeah, I know.
No,
I
not
can
that.
get it. So then,
She has a small head and
how did I die?
she has a small head and her hair is so big, like long.
I mean, that's how she chose to dress up. You're welcome again. Okay, by the way, this is a big jump.
Big jump. Sure.
We don't have the big jump thingy in this one. So guys, what we are talking about is basically another parkour map. Well, we have an option. If we click on it, then we can jump bigger.
Yeah.
And I once used it to skip an entire level.
This person
I-
is blocking my way.
Same. Do you want to accept it? I accepted.
I'm accepting it fast. She's blocking my
Wait.
way.
The new friend, we can't click jump by that.
Yeah. Okay, now it's done.
Okay, you're going that side. I'll go. Oh, okay, never
Oh.
mind. Oops.
I'll do this.
This is. Oh my god, I almost fell down, but I didn't, and I fell down. Okay, I mean, just walk slowly.
Oh my god.
Would you like to buy or skip to pass this level?
No.
No. Is it for money?
I think so. That's why
I did not see that laser. What? There was a laser there? What? What?
What do you mean?
Okay, no. I'm dying on the red thing.
But I am passing the level. See,
How? This makes nada sense.
it's easy. Come on. Now I'm waiting for you.
I just clicked yes. No, it's for 24 Robux. Are you mad? I have minus 10 in Robux, 0 Robux.
I also have 0 Robux.
Okay, now I suck at this level for some reason.
Buy one app.
Oh
and
my
you get
god,
some.
I nearly got reset at the start.
Yes, same. Sometimes
I mean,
that
it
also
it
happens.
just showed that it happens. No, I don't want to use Robux even though I don't have. Why? Just look at my screen. Look at it. Wait. No, just look at it. Look at it. Okay, I jumped over it now.
Oh my
Wait.
god.
Don't give a overreaction.
Okay, I'm not good.
No. Wait, just look what happens. That time I fell on the laser, but now look what happens if once I come on the. Wait. Okay. Now just look at it. I walked on the red path. I can't walk on the red path. What? That makes no sense.
And what is this?
Hey yo, wait for me.
I'm waiting.
Okay, yeah, good. I'm failing this. Guys, actually look. How? Fine. Okay. I thought I could just make the jump, but never mind.
Let's pause the video for them. You are going to take forever.
Okay, guys. It took barely any attempts. It is done the moment I paused the video. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this reminds me. I played something called as Chocolate Obby. Please don't do that. That will mess with your brain. There is a maze.
Oh my
Let
God.
us know in the comments if you want to see us do Chocolate Obby. Type down Chocolate Obby in the comments if you want to see us do it.
Yep.
That
And
there is a maze in it, which just fried my brain. I could not just complete it. I just quit. I just couldn't.
And I was playing one hobby name McDonald's play area something. It's too hard, lol.
Okay, by the way, you should move the moment the checkpoint goes to the next checkpoint.
This was easy, come on.
We just have to walk on it.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, there are lasers. I did not see the lasers. Okay, I mean, I guess, but now I know.
It's just
I thought
like-
that would.
It's just like hot dog sauce, lol.
Oh my god, why am I dying in this? I never die in these. No.
It's just like hot dog sauce. Lol.
You know, we can just. Oh wait.
Why did I even
I
say
understood
lol?
how to.
Wait, I didn't touch it! Oh my god.
I don't know, you must have. Let's go, I'm at the next.
No,
checkpoint.
that one, I was like this, huh? Then the person just pushed me. Invisible person. Lol.
Technically, it wasn't an invisible person, but you.
Can you do this for
Oh,
me?
please, I need to jump on this one. These ones suck. Even though it is easy. Okay, I'll do it for you. Give me the handle, please. There we go, I have the handle. This is easy.
Oh my god. You think this is easy?
Exactly, I did it in one go. Take the controls back, lol.
Why is this so...
Oh, don't stay on it for too long. I somehow respawned. Oh, on these ones we have to jump.
Is this laser? Oh, I didn't know.
Yes, the red one is a laser. Whatever red equals danger. Oh, please, no. There we go. Guys, if you want to play this and this jumping error happens to you, just click the Roblox icon. I'll just mark it out.
Yeah, that's
That
spam
thingy.
jumping.
Oh, great. My battery is just 37%.
Mine is a lot low.
Yeah, I know. I didn't keep mine
Oh
for
my
a charge
God.
now, did I? No.
At the night, my phone was charged for just for recording the video.
Yeah, I know, because I said keep it for a charge. And this is annoying the hell out of me.
Finally, I'm doing this. Oh my god.
Okay, there we go. Even I'm doing it.
No need to stress, Lord.
I always stress out for everything, especially while making videos. It's a fact. For some reason.
Good fact.
How is that good if I stress out? And I am dying again and again. How do you not stress out? You literally have so many subscribers and you don't stress out onto your videos.
Yeah, I don't stress out.
Well, yeah. I mean, I guess it's because you're too small.
What do you mean?
I am just done with this level. Oh my god, imagine the 175th level. You know they're above 170, na?
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
I chose this on purpose because it has a lot of levels.
To stress yourself.
No, I don't suck at parkour usually. It's just that while making a video, that just stresses me out. Do you even know the definition of stress?
Mental tortures.
I mean, that is one way to describe it. That is one way to describe it. What's your age again? What's your age again?
Why do you not know my age?
No, because you said mental torture. That's why.
Huh?
Guys, we'll be back in a moment. Guys, I finally did it after 2 million attempts, but doesn't matter. Hey, don't move at all. You are too ahead.
Okay.
You're literally 2 checkpoints ahead.
I can see you. In the easy hobby when you were also 2 checkpoints ahead, then what was wrong with that?
I have the full right of being ahead, you don't.
Oh my god.
I just made that rule.
That's unfair for me.
Isn't that the point?
Okay, wait.
I see you wait at that checkpoint. Okay, now this is impossible to die on. If I die on, that's just terrible.
Come.
Finally. That one just annoyed the hell out of me always.
Oh my god, don't touch the pinks.
You mean the red?
It's pink.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the laser. I mean, but it is okay with me, so.
That pink just killed me.
Will the yellow... Wait. Oh my god.
You
Choose
can
the correct
touch
path.
yellow.
Choose the correct path.
Are you serious?
Or else you can fall off. Arey, no. You have 3 paths to choose from. Okay, now these ones are easy. Just
Yep.
the laser ones. That is impossible to
Oh
fail.
Gold.
Oh, okay. Even I fell. I thought that was the
It's
correct
this
path.
one. This one.
Oh my god. I'm a
It's
noob.
left.
I know. And then it is that one.
What do you mean? This?
This, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh my god, we died together. And it's this one.
No. I am no noob. I know.
You're not noob.
I said I'm no noob. Are you dumb or are you dumb?
Are you
my
dumb or are you dumb? What?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry.
Oh my. Aye!
This girl, why is she going behind? Has she lost her brain cells?
Yes, I think so. Lol. You were covering my face.
You're welcome.
And your thank you. Lol.
Oh my god, no.
It's easy. Oh my.
And you just died when you said that. See, it is hard and then you might
It's
make
hard.
it. Never mind. I did not make it when I said that.
Yes, same.
How about we say nothing?
Okay, let's say nothing. I said nothing. Lol.
I mean, I'm making it. No. I fell down. Why did I say
I am dumb or I am dumb.
both?
Lol.
Which just means you are more dumb than dumb.
Oh my. That.
What is so hard in this stage? I don't see, even though I'm dying.
Seriously.
Oh my gosh. You know, I wonder what is at the end if it is so hard. In easy hobby, I mean, it was. I don't know how the end was.
This is kind of hard.
Well, yes, we are on stage 24
Oh my-
only. Imagine once we are on 100 or 50. Okay, wait.
Oh my god.
How about one of us do it once at a time?
My zoom in zoom out is glitched. Congrats.
Just click on the Roblox icon.
Still.
Sorry for you. Why don't you rejoin?
Oh my god.
Oops, you can't teleport to me. So, there's that. Oh, I almost made it.
Thank you, my zoom in, zoom out is glitched.
I did nothing for it. Oh crap, I feel bad now. Let me do it. Give me the controls. There we go, I got the controls. Oh!
Zoom in, zoom out.
Okay.
Zoom in, zoom out.
I got disconnected.
And I am leaving.
Oh my god. Wait. 1 second, wait. Let's just pause your video a lot. Okay, let's just delete the video.
Okay,
Bye guys.